What's up, Big Timers? This is the brand new Hot Wheels Premium Team Transport set, and in my opinion, this is the best Team Transport release ever. Let's get right into opening it. If you would like to pick up this Team Transport set, they are available now at granitoys.com. I will leave a link in the description box below. Looking on the back of the card, we can see all of the cars and Team Transport trucks that are included in this series. And the first one that we have is the Mazda 787B and the Sakura Sprinter truck. Our next one is the RWB Porsche 930 and Aerolift. And our third one is the 1970 Plymouth Superbird with wide open. Let's open up the first one, the Mazda 787B with Sakura Sprinter. Here is the Sakura Sprinter, which has a Brembo logo on the side as well as Mazda Speed. And on the front, it's all green. It's got the white wheels with the black wheel riders and the rear opening hatch in which the Mazda 787B fits into. And looking at the car in this set, the Mazda 787B, this one features white wheels in the front and orange wheels in the back, wheel riders on it, as well as some really cool racing graphics. The one really cool feature of this car is the rear hatch does actually open and come right off to display the engine, as well as the spoiler kind of moves up and down a little bit. Next up, let's open the RWB Porsche 930 and Aerolift. Aerolift is purple with orange wheels. It has the writing Sky, Ocean, and Rain written on the side, as well as this little skull thing on the rear hatch part. The rear hatch part does slide and then it kind of goes down so that the car can roll up right onto it. It's a pretty neat looking Aerolift truck. And looking at the RWB Porsche, this thing is orange. It's got the really cool big wing on there, orange wheels, and it's got the Real Rider slick tires on it, big exhaust coming out the back end of this. Great detail from the front and the back. This is just an all-around fantastic casting. And our final Team Transport from this set is the 1970 Plymouth Superbird with wide open, and I'm absolutely loving the graphics on these ones, the Union 76 variation. Let's go ahead and pop it open and get a closer look at it. Classic orange and blue colored variation on this truck with the orange that wraps around the front with the Union on the front end of this one. It's got these spare tires stored right up on the top, and these ones are not Real Riders, they're just plastic variations that are stored, but they've got Real Rider tires on here with gray wheels. And check out this 1970 Plymouth Superbird, also with the blue bottom with the orange on the top, the big rear wing on this one. The graphics on this one are fantastic. I love the Real Riders, especially with the white wall tiring lettering on there as well. Fantastic looking casting all around for this Plymouth Superbird. In the comments section down below, let me know which was your favorite Team Transport from this set. Make sure you smash that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.